Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to try and review Korean noodles Shin Ramyun first time. So first I opened the package. By the way, it's 120 grams package. Well, it took me little time to open it. Inside the package we got 1 packet of flakes and 1 packet of soup base. First I boiled the water in pan and put noodles into it. After boiling the noodles, I add soup base. Well, here I am making it this way. You can also make it by adding soup base into the pan while boiling noodles. Let's mix it well. You can see how hot our noodles are. Can't wait to try it. It looks so mouth-watering. After mixing, you can say its color, well, it's not that red. Let's see how it tastes. Now it's time to add flakes. Let's mix them too. It looks so tasty. I tried it and believe me, it's so spicy even. It didn't looks, but it's so spicy and tasty. I love it, so you all should try it. Till then, bye. Don't forget to like my video.